What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Kart Smart TV. And today we're going to be working on a club car. Let's dive into it and see what we got going here. Club car DS, gas model. And the major problem that we have here with this golf cart, it has broken, or the kingpin rather. And that's on the passenger side of the cart. Driver's side's still good and connected, but at the same time we can see that the bushings in this spring here are gone also. We were going to install a new lift kit on this golf cart. Being that we have been in business for as long as we have, boss man was like, hey, go look and see if we got, you know, the style lift that's on this golf cart now, because it is a fairly old lift kit. And, you know, we've been in this business, you know, nearly 30 years. And so I got to doing a little digging around all our parts and stuff, and actually found a whole new spindle for this particular style lift kit. So in efforts to help save this customer some extra money, because we all know that this day and age money is tight for everybody, so we have now put a new spindle on the broken side. The only thing I do have left to do is I got to pull the spindle off the broken, or the hub. I got to pull the hub off the broken spindle over there. But we can do that after we get this installed. It's not the biggest deal in the world. I'm kind of thankful that we were able to find this for the customer and save them what's going to be several $100 here. So a battery had died before I realized it, and I had continued on putting it all together. And so what you see is I've got my A-arms back on, my shocks put back on, my steering linkages put back on, the whole lower suspension and the traveling arms back in place, and then greasing up the front end, and obviously getting my hub put back on right here, and we'll be done here. So alright guys, there it is, put back together. And before I could get completed, as I was doing the hub, trying to get it off, noticed that once I did get it off, it was torn up. Most of the bearing races right here on the old spindle. The rollers had done fell out, and it was all kinds of nasty and grimy up inside of here. This was messed up for a long time before it come to us. Fortunate for our customer, we had an older style hub that was outside in our yard there, that we keep all our park carts in. Got that one installed back on the new spindle. Turned out fine, rolling fine. Everything tightened up again, turns good. It's gonna make a happy customer. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this golf cart. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on the channel or give us a call. You can find the number on our channel as well to the business. Also, don't forget about the QR code that's down on the screen. That'll send you to our website so that you can get any of the parts that you see me fix these golf carts with, minus these old style lift kits. We were just fortunate enough to have some stock from a long time ago that we had, and to help this customer get theirs going again. But please hit that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you all.